Hello and welcome to the video. Now in this video I'm going to go through a system that automates your emails and that allows you to create products, digital products. So if you don't have your product yourself, or you don't have your own product, a physical product, you can create digital products. Now that's another thing that I'm going to be teaching you. I'm just showing you the system at the moment that you can use for free. That's right, it's for free, and you can create up to as many landing pages as you want. Now what I mean by that, right, these what you see in front of you at the moment are products. So say if I click on this one, okay, it allows me to edit the product. Okay, I can edit as much as I want. Save and publish. Publish button on the top here. But it allows you to create products. So this is a free system. Okay, also you can grow your landing pages. Now landing pages are what collects subscribers. Now I'm going to open this one so I can give you an idea. So this is one landing page. Okay, grow your list fast for beginners. There's a video of me there showing them about my lists, and when this is a landing page, so when they enter their name and their email, they will go onto my list. Now you can create as many as these as possible, by the way, just so you know. So yeah, that's a good thing with this system. Now I'm going to leave a link below. Okay, I'm going to leave a link below so you can join. Let me go on to showing you something else also. Now this is where you create the products. If you're going to earn, and this is where you create the product. So there's a button just on top of here where you might not be able to see it. There's a button just on top of here which says create the product, create a new product. You press on that and it takes you through the product. So let me just give you an idea. Let's say we're doing a marketing for beginners. So let's go marketing. Let's do email marketing for beginners. Email marketing. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now we're going to put a price on it. You can put a standard price here and just name your price. You can put a subscription. You can add if it's a coaching or something that you're gonna it's a one-on-one thing. Maybe you want to coach someone via Facebook or a Facebook group, a private group. You press this and you put an amount in. Let's just say $27. Go next. You can upload a digital file. If you have a digital file, you can do a newsletter, members only newsletter. So basically it's whoever buys this goes onto a special email list that you will be sending them emails. And something else again is coaching and what have you. But yeah, so if you've got digital product, you can just upload your product. So when they buy it, the customer collects it digitally. So there's no physical product for you to pass over to them. It's all done via the net. Yeah, it's great. You should at least give it a test. This will be your domain for this, so you don't even need a domain to start selling. You can put this on your Facebook. You can put this on anywhere. A link. You can send it out by message. You go here. You enter a let's go replace normal marketing for beginners. Let's just put any. I'm just going to put anything in at the moment. I'm just going to put, let's say, let's put this one the same one as before. I'm going to put this one the same one as before. Save. Now we're going to the writing here. let's just say okay, and that's it. You're done. You're actually done. Save. Now I want to show you something. This is what the customer sees when you check out. Now look how professional that is. Look how professional that is. Now if you're wondering where does the money go, you connect it to a PayPal or Stripe. Okay, so, and I want to show you what we've just created together. And this is the receipt that goes out to the customer with the email. So you save all that time and all that hassle. Okay, let me show you what it looks like also. So if I go publish and I copy this link here, let's go to Incognito and paste the link, press enter. Now look how professional your page looks. Okay, you're going to sort the organize the photo a little bit more, but look how professional that is. So what they do, you come here, you pay, they go to pay, they'll put their email, they'll put their details here, and they'll go on to the next page, and as you see, it doesn't let them go because obviously you need to put your email in so you can send them a receipt. And there you go, you're ready. You've just created a digital product. Congratulations, you are now an online digital marketer. That's how easy it is. So I want you guys to click the link below, go and open an account. It's easy, it's free. You don't even need you don't need a credit card or nothing. Okay, I'm not hiding this from you. This is you know, these are secrets, but I'm giving them out to you so you can go out in the world. You may be unemployed at the moment. You might not be happy at your job. You may want to have a second job, an online job. You might want to create your own program, maybe you have a skill. Okay, you can do this straight away by creating a digital product. From there on, it's bringing traffic to your website, bringing traffic to these pages. That's all it is, just bringing traffic to these pages. Okay, so it's all done easy peasy. Follow my lead, and hope to see you in the next video. Now don't forget to click the link below. It is a free trial. Save this page also. If you're watching it on a phone, go on to your add to phone front or something and save this page. Keep on coming back to it, and you'll keep on learning different things, because I'm going to keep on uploading different videos for, obviously, for the learning education. And it's going to be soon, there will be a new platform coming on the learning education here, and it's going to be more funky, more jazzy, and yeah, so let's stick to this one for now, and follow my lead, and there's more to come. God bless. Take care.